Hey guys, it's your girl from the P Word. It's me again, LaFrieda Smith. So today I'm talking about phishing emails. That's Phishing. Now, if you have an email address or you know what I'm talking about, then this is not for you. But if you don't, word to the wise. Very, very important. This is not just for adults or children, okay? This is for everybody, okay? So, return to sender, all right? There are these emails that go out, okay? They look so familiar that when you open them, you're like, oh, that's a email from my, cell phone company or my bank or something like that. And the email address is always from, and it always says, like, let's say for example, Gerald or something to that effect. And the actual letter that represents the logo of the email looks nothing like the actual company emblem at all. Okay, so for me, I know what T-Mobile's emblem logo looks like. Okay, I know what my school's logo looks like. So people that are hacking emails, and this is very important, will make a email that is official. It'll have everything on it, and you'll think that that email is official until it says click on this link to access your account or reset your password or something like that. Do not do this. This is called phishing. This means that once you click it, okay, the person that sent you this email, who is a hacker, is going to be in your stuff. And everything that you want that are password protected, and anything that is valuable to you is exposed. So I'm going to tell you, my school just recently had a lot of like phishing emails, and it's very scary when you have a network at your own school that gets hacked, and there are people that actually are trying to get into the servers of these schools and do these financial institutions and stuff like that, and it's just nothing is safe anymore. So anytime you don't really you're not sure of an email, always if you have somebody that you can consult, if you're not sure of it, spam it. This is what I do. I spam it. Spam it, block it. That goes for text messages. Don't click, oh, you are a winner, blah, 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 blah. No, that is, they'll give you a virus. Okay. Parents, teachers, anyone with authority, please make sure that your children know that there is a possibility, with everybody having cell phones now and email, that they could get all their information compromised. Now, I've never had identity theft before, and God bless that, God's looking out for me. But those of you who've had identity theft, you know how it feels to have your identity stolen, and it just does not make it any easier when you have so many new technology coming out, and once one person figures out how to get through that, then they go through something else, and then they're going through something else. It's kind of like when you have debit cards. Okay, my husband just went through it where, you know, his bank card is getting what do you call it, copied, and it's just in his wallet or it's in his pocket or something like that, and it's just ridiculous that we can't walk around anymore because we're in danger of having all our information taken from us. And it's just so like scary. Just recently my daughter, actually my future son-in-law, you know, he had an email from a school, but it wasn't actually from the school, and my daughter thought that this was a legitimate email and everything, and she was talking back and forth with these people, and it didn't even end up being what it was. And that is just so scary for me, that things like that can happen where a school can get hacked. You know, it's like, what do you have to do? Like, take everything down and just not be on the web? But you can't. That's the thing. We've depended on the web and being able to be on apps and stuff like that. So we can't not do this. So what we have to do is we have to make sure that our children know, okay, this is what you need to do to make sure and what to look for. These emails, they can look so familiar that, you know, you go and click it and, you know, it's all over. And so we have to make sure that we're monitoring our emails. We just don't be clicking stuff, and tell our kids, you know, listen, if you are in doubt, you know, call it out. Basically, that's what I'm gonna say. When in doubt, call it out. What I told my daughter to do was call the school and find out if they have a teacher or whoever in this email actually is a teacher at this school that's sending this email. Make sure that this person is on the roster. Make sure this person is actually a teacher and has access to these emails. If they are not, then we got a problem. So it's important. If you don't stop the scam, then it's going to keep going and going and going. And I can't express it enough. I can't say it enough. But if you do not recognize it, okay, it does not look familiar to you, and no, you have not won a prize. Okay, so when you get those emails and it's saying you won a prize, okay, you better make sure you actually did apply for that prize, because the thing is if you haven't won that prize, then you're in big trouble. Okay, so just make sure you are double checking and checking and checking, and when in doubt, call it out, like I said. That's it for me. Be careful out there. Your identity is your identity. Do not give it to somebody else. Under no circumstances. Teach your children this. Keep yourself aware. And I'll talk to you guys later. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks. Bye.